Yes, welcome to my channel Busi Tech. Today I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M10 3GB model. Before unboxing, please subscribe my channel for more videos by clicking the bell icon. Let's do unboxing. Actually, this is a Samsung Galaxy M10 3GB model. Bought it from Amazon.com on great in Amazon sale. So let's do unboxing. Actually, this price is 7,999 rupees, but after getting 10% discount, I got it for 6,914 rupees. See, this is the box. See this Samsung Galaxy M10. This is M10 Indian SIM. First, you have to use Indian SIM only to activate this mobile. Yeah, this is the IMI number. Yeah, these are the specifications here. Let's do unboxing. Let's peel off this. First check this tags are there. If tags are tampered, then it is a duplicate one. Okay, remove all these tags and let's cut it down by using this one. Yeah, this is the unboxing. This is the manual. We are getting manual. See this kickstart guide, regional log guide. This is a warranty card. This or this. In this, no ejector pin is nothing there. This is the M10. This is the M10 Samsung Galaxy M10 series mobile. Keep it there. Let's do what are there inside the box. Yeah, this is the Samsung travel adapter. Actually, this is not a fast charger. Output of this one is 5 volts 1 amps. This is a normal charger, not a fast charger. Yes, this is a cable. We got it, a cable, and this is ejector pin. Yeah, these are the accessories we got inside this. Let's keep it there side and let's do unboxing. Let's do see all these things. Let's peel up this one. Remove this cover. Actually, there is no pre-applied temper glass or this one. Okay, like this one. Let's start it. Yeah, by the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of this mobile. Actually, this mobile is 6.3 inches size and the front camera is 13 megapixel back camera and f1.9 aperture. Front camera is 5 mp ultra wide rear camera. Dual camera is there. Front camera is 5 mp 2.0 selfie front camera, and the size of the slim design is 7.7 mm. Battery capacity is 3400 mAh battery, and it is powered by Exnyos 7870 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. Internal memory is 32 GB and RAM is 3 GB. Let it keep there. Actually, it is a Infinity V display, dual camera, slim design. Yeah, let's skip all these things. End user agreements, all this skip. This is market information. Skip is okay. Bring a roll. Skip this. Skip all these things. Just turn on Wi-Fi if you have Wi-Fi. Yeah, all this one. Not now. Set the password. Okay, get the recommended apps. Skip all these things. Later we will set up all these things. Yeah, see, this is the Samsung Galaxy M10 3GB model. See it, notification panel. We are getting, this is the notification panel. See the here. Yeah, wallpapers, themes, widget, and so we will set the home screen. So home screen setting 5:6. Apply it again. Do it same thing, and screen apps can also do it. Yes, adjust it. let's see what are the apps pre-installed in this. See, there is no there is no unnecessary apps in this one. Yeah, see it, Samsung, all these, and voice recorder, email, my mail, Facebook, Galaxy, all the pre-required apps are there. Not at all waste apps are there, unnecessary apps are not pre-installed. Samsung default apps are there. This one, see the settings, very setting is there. You can go to this about, see model number SM M105. This one is, and battery information you will get, see, not charging, 3400 mAh battery. Software information, it is powered by Android 9.0, runs on Samsung UI 1.1 UI, and this latest update have May security, but you have to update this one to September security update. Let's see how much internal memory we got it. So let's go to settings, settings, battery, here storage. Yeah, getting it. Out of 32 GB, available space is 23.2 GB. Unnecessary data is 4.6. System or user data is 8.8 GB. Out of 32 GB, we got it for 23.2 GB. Okay, just see the RAM, how much RAM space is there. See this RAM. Total RAM is 3 GB. Out of 3 GB, 1.1 GB is free. System apps and apps 1.5 GB. Available space 1.6. Result is 256. Yes, these are the settings. All normal settings are there. See this is a dual voltage. You will use two 4G sims at a time. Actually, display and everything is there. Auto brightness, night mode, full screen apps, biometric, everything is there. See this here, Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, everything is there. So actually this design, everything is nice and good. The right side is a power button, this is a volume button. Left side only SIM slot is there, and top is only one secondary microphone, and below is the 3.5mm jack. This is a normal USB 2.0, it is not a type C, and this is the primary microphone. Here the speaker is there, flash, dual camera, here front facing camera 5 megapixel, here 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera. This is the phone, nice phone. Actually it is a weight is also texture and everything is good. Design is very good. Design is very good. Actually it is a SIM slide and lightly weighted, this one. All apps are there. Google, all default apps are there. You have to install this. This is the unboxing of Galaxy M10 3GB model. Later we will review, after using 7 days or 10 days, I will review on this one, performance, everything. Let's see camera is also good. See the camera. We will take this camera photo, taking this one. Yes, camera is also good. Yeah, see the how details is coming. Okay, let's after, yeah, later we will review camera and performance, gaming performance, everything. This is the Galaxy M10 unboxing. Please subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon below for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe it to get the notifications on your YouTube app. Thanking you for watching my channel. Thanking you.